Hey, I'm J-Ray.
I'm Dereck.
And we are here today to do a hot sauce challenge. Now I got some Hell's Kitchen hot sauce back at Christmas, and I'm just now getting ready to bust into it with my buddy Dereck here, and we're going to try it out and see just how hot they are. Now I got this from my cousins, Holly and Randy, and their sons, Hunter, Levi, and Sawyer. So we're going to try this out for them and let them see just how much it burns. So inside the box there's 5 flavors. You got sriracha, green chili, whiskey habanero, chipotle chocolate, that's going to be hot and tasty, and last but not least, ghost pepper.
That one's going to burn.
And we're going to try them on some of these wonderful Santitas white corn chips, the cheapest chips you can buy. This video is sponsored by Santitas, Hell's Kitchen,
and Mountain Dew,
and Tums, because
that's going to come in handy later.
We're going to need that. None of these companies know they're sponsoring us though,
and we're not getting any money for royalties from them, so
unfortunately. All right. So, which one are we going to dive into first?
Well, I guess we should start here and just work our way up to the ghost pepper.
That's right. So we're going to go with, well, it's packaged in there.
Sriracha hot sauce.
So sriracha, it's nice. I like the flavor. Let's just see how bad it is in this bottle.
I don't really eat a lot of hot sauce, so we'll see how that goes.
Get rid of the box. Alright, let's bust open this sriracha. Better give it a little shake first.
These being from Hell's Kitchen, I keep waiting for Gordon Ramsey to pop out of somewhere and get us.
No. Oh, this tastes like rubbish. Alright. I'm going to put a little on a plate. Whoop. Put a little bit on a plate. Whoop. I'm going to grab me a chip.
Go ahead and crack open the Mountain Dew.
Crack open Diet Pepsi because I'm on a diet. Only because my diabetes is going to kill me if I don't. Alright.
It smells pretty good.
Smell, taste. Yeah, it's got a little bit of, almost got a little bit of that Tabasco smell to it. Here we go. This is the Hell's Kitchen Sriracha hot sauce.
That's pretty good.
It is. Very flavorful. Kind of tangy. Like I say, it's kind of got that little bit of that Texas Pete flavor.
It's not hot, but it's got a little warmth. But I like it.
Where does it burn in your mouth?
Maybe right in the back of the throat, just a little bit.
Yeah, that's where it's hitting for me. Yeah. So, that's right. The sriracha hot sauce. Okay. We're going to the green side now. Green chili hot sauce. Looks like it might be flavored with jalapenos. It doesn't, yes it does. Yeah. So it's got aged jalapeno peppers. And a little bit of green chili flavor. Okay. Whoop. And whoop. Yeah. Oh, I can smell kind of, is it the tomatillos?
You can definitely smell the peppers in it.
Yeah, that's gonna burn. That's gonna burn. Alright, you ready?
Let's go. I like that one too.
Yeah, it's got that tomatillo twang to it. Very nice. Kind of has a little bit more of a bite on the afterburn.
Yeah, but it's not as bad as I thought it'd be.
No, I don't even know that it's as hot as the last one.
We'll see if it has a delayed reaction.
It might. But I think it's got a little bit more twang. All this stuff would be real good on tacos. Whiskey habanero. It's got kind of an orange glow to it.
That's probably what color our face is going to be after we get done doing this.
It might be, because now we're starting to kind of pick up on our heat level of pepper. And there's just something about habanero. I love the flavor of habanero. I'll give you a little there first. Oh, look how dark red that is.
Oh yeah. Get a good whiff of that.
Oh yeah.
You can definitely fill it up in the nose.
Yep. Those habaneros are going to be burning. All right, let's get a nice big scoop on here. You ready?
Let's go.
More heat definitely right off the bat.
Yeah.
It's kind of burning more all through the mouth. Kind of more on the roof of my mouth. Where are you feeling it?
A little bit everywhere. Yeah, that was definitely a lot warmer.
Yeah.
This would have been a fun challenge to do with my friend Nathan. Shout out to him if he ever sees this.
Yeah, come on, Nathan. We're waiting.
He loves hot sauce, and I mean loves it. I watched him put hot sauce on chocolate ice cream.
Huh.
Kid you not. It's the only thing he's ever put hot sauce on he didn't like.
Wow. I think this is a sign that I love this, because if you look, when I bit my chip, it made a heart. Yeah. So that must mean that I love this one.
I'm gonna lie, my mouth is on fire.
It's.
But I think it's probably combining with the other two now. So
Yeah, I think it's kind of all powers unite. Some Captain Planet stuff going on here. All right, time for a little bit of dessert. Chipotle chocolate.
this is the one I want to try. This one had me a little excited.
Yeah, this one, my nose is starting to run a little bit. And it's not because it's just allergy season.
Is my face red?
You're starting to look a little bit flush.
I can definitely feel it. It's definitely warm.
Yeah.
I definitely feel like a pansy, because it's not that bad, but it is hot.
Well, I haven't really been eating a lot of hot stuff over the winter time, and so I kind of feel like I've lost some of my tolerance. But tolerance is going back up now. Oh, you can even smell the chocolate. I think it's got a Hershey Kiss blocking the tube. It's not coming out. There it is. That looks like
A1 sauce.
that was exactly what I was getting ready to say.
Straight up A1 sauce.
I bet this will be good on that ice cream you got.
Oh, that smells good. Maybe the chocolate will help cool it off a little bit.
Either that or it'll open up all the taste buds. Oh yeah, you can smell the chocolate. It's kind of strange. Wouldn't it be funny? Go down to the Golden Corral and find the chocolate fountain and just spike it with this stuff? No, that would not be funny. That would be considered some type of terrorism, so we're not going to do that.
Terrorism with hot sauce.
I can't get to stay on here. I should have got the scoops. That's why you pay $6 for a bag of Tostitos, is you're getting scoops. Specifically engineered to consume more dip.
Did you get enough on there? Here.
Yeah, we're just going to coat it good. I don't know that Chipotle is necessarily any hotter than habanero.
But if you want more.
No, this would be good to start.
Alright, ready?
Yep. That chocolate kind of adds a nice flavor to it.
It does.
It's like it belongs. It doesn't feel like you mixed mustard and strawberry jelly. You know, it's like it doesn't belong together. It tastes like it belongs in there.
My nose is starting to run now.
It's going to be running for its life in a minute. Yep. That was delicious.
That is good.
But that's not the end.
It definitely don't have the heat the other one does.
No, it definitely don't have the heat. Like I said, I don't think Chipotle is any hotter than any other standard pepper. But here it is.
The ghost pepper.
This is the big one. This is the hot one. This is the one that's gonna hurt. We know that ghost pepper isn't the hottest pepper out there, but it's definitely the hottest one in this kit, and ghost pepper usually gets me pretty good. It usually gets my gut.
I don't see no warning labels.
I think the fact that it says Hell's Kitchen on the box is enough.
Yeah.
Overall, all these hot sauces so far have been very, very delightful.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, ghost pepper. Never grown ghost pepper, but I'd like to sometime. Alright, so here we go. We're trying, I'm so nervous about this. I shouldn't be, but ghost pepper really gets me. We're trying the ghost pepper hot sauce.
I think that's a good amount.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you're gonna die.
Probably.
Alright, here we go. Oh yeah, it's hitting.
I can feel it.
It's burning. It's burning. It's burning, but I'm gonna have to have more because it's addictive.
Yeah, that one's burning the back of my throat.
You want some more?
Yes.
He said yes.
I'm a glutton for punishment.
Oh yeah, that was delicious.
My throat is on fire.
You sound like you're gonna die.
I probably am.
We're getting ready to do a podcast, so it's not gonna be good if you can't talk.
Well, I've got 2 cartons of ice cream in the freezer, so that'll probably help.
I probably will. That one's getting the tip of my tongue. You feel it on the tip of your tongue?
Yeah, and the back of my throat feels like I swallowed a volcano. That one's actually burning.
Yeah.
That one burns bad.
Yeah.
I got tears. I'm pretty sure my face is beet red.
I don't know which one of you and my cousin's family picked this set out, but I'm going to get you back. Whew. That ghost pepper, like I said, ghost pepper, it gets me. And when it gets me, it gets me. And I'm not going to just be feeling it now. I'm going to be feeling it in a little while when it hits my gut. And then I'm going to feel it in the morning when it hits the back of the turlet. Wow. Guys, that's... I'm telling you what, it's still burning.
The ghost pepper really, really got me.
If you ever find one with Carolina Reaper in it, don't even bother getting me anything for Christmas.
Carolina Reaper's hotter, ain't it?
Oh, Carolina Reaper's supposed to be the hottest, but yeah, ghost pepper does it. And so there's one even higher than ghost pepper called scorpion pepper, and I've tried hot sauce made from that, and it's not as bad in my opinion. It's maybe the same, but not as, I don't know, something about ghost pepper, it'll turn you into a ghost.
Yes. I'm probably going to die after this video.
He's going to die on the toilet, and then he's going to be haunting the toilet for the rest of his life.
So I just had a good idea. Actually, no, it's a terrible idea, but we're going to do it anyway.
My buddy Dereck likes to up the ante just a little bit.
I'm going to put all of them on one chip.
We're going to dose this thing up. It's going to have the quintad, whatever you call it, of flavors.
Let's not mix up the caps either.
Oh, Lord.
Okay, this one goes with that one.
This one goes with the sriracha hot sauce, I can tell.
There's the chocolate one.
Yeah, you definitely don't want to mess up the caps because that'll be pretty bad.
Alright.
Is he going to get a fire extinguisher?
We're probably going to need one because I'm probably going to be breathing fire in there. Alright, I'm going to put the green chili hot sauce on a chip.
You know what? I'm going to do it too. So, I'm going to put some of the sriracha.
Here's a chipotle chocolate. I feel like this is going to have very catastrophic results.
It is. You ever had an ulcer the size of a football? Well, this is going to be it. Alright, so whiskey habanero.
There's a sriracha.
Green chili. Adds a nice little color to it.
Hand me that one over there. Then we're going to have to wear rubber gloves when we handle this one.
Death in a bottle. Add a little bit of chocolate ganache. Ganache you on your butt. Terrible joke. Alright.
This one goes to that cap. We're trying not to mix up the caps because that can be bad.
I think this is right. Okay. I don't know who got more, but
It's going to have the same result.
yes. Here we go. This is all five. All five on the same chip. You ready for this?
Let's do it.
Alright. I think we just created a new flavor.
Yeah, regret.
That's a great name for a hot sauce. Regret.
It's actually not burning. I think the other one's kind of probably cooled them down a little bit. Or it's just having a delayed reaction.
Yeah. That or our taste buds are
Already fried.
yeah, it's a good possibility. Well guys, we survived that. But every one of these tastes excellent. What's your favorite, Dereck? Overall.
Oh man. Overall, probably the whiskey habanero. I really like this one.
I got to agree. I'm not real big on the tomatillo taste, but now you know this says it's just aged jalapeno peppers, but it's almost like it has a tomatillo flavor. I don't know, but yeah, I do agree. The whiskey habanero is definitely the best flavor, and the ghost pepper is definitely the hottest.
It tastes good, but you might as well just swallow a volcano.
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
It's okay. I know you're suffering right now.
Putting all five of them on there actually wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. I think the others kind of cooled them off a little bit.
That just shows you how much hotter the ghost pepper is than all the rest.
Oh yeah, the ghost pepper set me on fire. The other four was good, didn't burn that bad. Had a kick, but that ghost pepper, I might as well lick the surface of the sun.
Yep. But thanks again, guys, for the gift, and thanks everybody for watching this. Go ahead and crack that thing of Tums open, because man, we're gonna need it now. Like I'm gonna go ahead and pop one of these, maybe two. He gave a couple of drops of this hot stuff to his dad, and his dad's out in the yard running around in circles calling for the fire department. So that's how bad it is.
He actually did try some. He's not running around in the yard, but he is outside.
He did. I don't know. I see red flashing lights out there now. So, anyways, see you next time on the J-Ray channel, J-Ray's Kitchen, and the Chopcast.
See ya.